In our race against climate change, finding sustainable energy storage solution has become more critical than ever. As we try to harness the power of renewable energy sources, one technology takes center stage: batteries. Lithium-ion batteries have been the standard for many applications, offering impressive power, however being potentially hazardous and costly. In my project, I'm developing sodium-ion batteries, aiming to make them cheaper and more accessible. Every battery is composed of a cathode and an anode, with an electrolyte sandwich between them. My research focus is on the electrolyte. I'm investigating novel materials known as ionic liquids and organic ionic plastic crystals. By design and modification of molecules, I try to boost their electrochemical properties and performance, pushing boundaries of battery development to create cells that are not only efficient but also affordable and widely accessible for everybody. Vroom.